Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 copy and paste not working. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Clipboard. Clear clipboard data. Second method is right-click Start button, click Task Manager. Click File, click Run New Task. Type RdpClip.exe, click OK. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type task kill space, /f space, /im space, rdpclip.exe. Type RdpClip.exe, type exit, and restart system. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type CMD space, /c echo space, off clip. CLS and exit. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.